What's this? Never mind. Oh, I guess. Alright, I guess. We're doing some sort of jacket. Don't know what it is, but. What the heck? Spike's wood physics are weird. But I like it though. It's really nice. These new beta bikes are so clean, bro. They're so good. I'm so glad these Legends people make these such good bikes, I have to tell you. If you're seeing this, Legends, this is really good bikes, and you have such a really good game here. And I'm done talking. And by the way, this is one of my favorite dirt bike games of all time. Also, Adventures need to be all out. I know that's what people say that's a bad game. Love that game. It's so good, bro. I know I'm not gonna win, but still doing pretty good, I guess. I don't know why I'm going so slow. I just suck it right now. Well, I got fourth place, but that was the video. And I'll see you guys next time.